here is our drive-through COVID testing site for our students who are in quarantine or people who may be symptomatic, but we also welcome any walk-up clients if they want to get tested. This is because we do not want our students who are in quarantine or have symptoms to come inside to the building at the clinic, so we are making this available for the large number of students and families to come and get tested. In order to get tested, there's multiple ways you can do that. If it's on Mondays, you can come through the drive-through, which is at the Education Center, South parking lot. And Tuesday through Friday, there are response team at each of the school sites scheduled throughout the day to provide site testing. Get vaccinated if you are eligible, ages 12 and up. We do have a partnership with Pasadena Public Health Department to provide clinics. One of the importance of getting tested is to make sure that we are keeping our students and staff and community members and families safe so we can continue the in-person learning and keep our schools open.